Hi, I'm Dr. Jess, and I'm a general dentist who's passionate about teaching people about their oral health and hygiene and why it's important for our overall whole body health. One of the things that I've noticed as a dentist is that we spend so much time treating disease, whether it's cavities or periodontal disease. We're treating the disease, we're doing fillings and crowns and root canals, but we're not really spending the time sitting down with you talking about how to prevent it in the first place. So my hopes in creating this channel is to try and find ways to teach you preventative methods and techniques that you can do at home to prevent dental disease from occurring. I graduated in 2018 from Loma Linda University in Southern California. Since then, I've been working in private practice, and one of the things that I've noticed is that a lot of the times when I'm explaining things to patients, whether it's procedures that they need to have done, or just talking about brushing or flossing in the first place, there's this huge gap between what I know as the dentist and what you know as the patient. As a result, I figured what a better way to talk to people than to be able to present them with a YouTube channel that you can sit in your home and listen to in a non-threatening, educational, yet informative way. I hope to be able to teach you about things that you're interested in, things like how to brush your teeth properly, or how to floss. What's the right kind of floss? Are water picks really good? Are they what they're cracked up to be? What's your favorite kind of toothpaste? Why do you like that one? Why do you not like certain types? Those kind of things. One of the things that I noticed is that going out with friends, often to coffee shops or to dinner, that kind of a thing, you sit down, you talk about what you do for a living, and lots of the time, as soon as people find out that I'm a dentist, they often are like, hey, I've always wondered, why do my gums bleed when I floss? Or should I get an electric toothbrush? Are they really worth that extra money? Or tooth whitening, does the Crest white strips work? Should I try something different? Do I need to go to the dentist and get it done professionally? What do you recommend? Those kind of things. So my hopes in making this channel is to try and emanate to you some of the knowledge that I have as the dentist and make it approachable, make it non-threatening, make it so that it's not scary. I mean, who are we kidding? Sitting down at a dentist's office is not the most comfortable place to be. We plop you down in the chair, we talk in all these words that you don't really understand, we shine these crazy bright lights into your face, and then we poke at your gums with these sharp instruments, while the dentist and the assistant and the hygienist come buzzing through, and then by the time that you leave your head spinning, you have no idea what your questions were. You get back to your car and you're like, oh shoot, I totally forgot to ask that. So, if any of this sounds interesting to you, please feel free to keep watching, keep checking out my channel, check out the other videos that I'm gonna have posted. I was reading a study in 2017 that was done by the Canadian Dental Association, and it said that the most common chronic preventable disease in the world is tooth decay and dental disease. It is the most common disease. It's not cancer, it's not some kind of heart disease or lung disease, it's tooth decay and dental disease. That is the most common chronic yet preventable. It's preventable. We know how to treat it, and yet we're not doing that. Another study by the Global Burden of Health and Disease in 2017 as well said that nearly 3.5 billion people suffer from dental disease. That's there's 7.8 billion people in the world, so that's almost 1 out of every 2. I think it's 47% or something like that have this disease. And that's right, it is a disease. Lots of the time we think it's not, but it actually is a disease. Of that, 530 million are children. That means that 530 million of our kids have a chronic, preventable disease. So I thought, why not make a YouTube channel? Why not make it in a way that's easy for people to listen? You can ask your questions, post your questions below, comment on what you want to hear. What are the types of things that are interesting to you? Make sure that you hit that thumbs up button, give me a like, subscribe and ring the bell, and then post what you want to hear about down below. And I would love to be able to teach you on the things that I'm passionate about, and really truly make oral health something that everybody knows about. It's not this foreign concept, but that's something we can talk about. And I look forward to seeing you next time.